സന്ധിക്കേ ശ്രീശൈലം ബാഹാദൂസ ഈശോമാനൻ മിശിഹാദ്നഹിലൻ മിന്നുംബാദാവൂയ് യസ്സാവക്കൻ മിൻഹശോക വനഹല്ലൻ ബനോരയയ്യ ഇമാമാദ്നഹൽ ബൈനാശ വാറക്ഷുൽത്താനേദശോക നുഹറാദ്നഹിലൻ മിന്നോരെ വനഹറൈനിൻ ഹശോകാസ ശൂഹേദ്നഹബാവത്തേവേൽ വനഹല്ലസുഹോമേ തഹതായേ ലഘുമൗതാവാറക്ഷശോക വ്യക്തം വാർത്തറയേദശിയോ.
Emmanuel, നമസ്കാരം.
നമസ്കാരം.
You are the author of Syriac Malayalam Lexicon. Is that the right title of the book?
Syriac English Malayalam Lexicon.
Syriac English Malayalam Lexicon. You have had an illustrious life. You served a lot the Syriac cause. What brought you to Iraq?
Father Fabian and Father Virgil and Father Marcel. They were three missionaries chosen for the Iraq mission. They were working there for 3 years. After that, our Father Fabian had the plan to have a mission of ours started there, and a province or something like that of our congregation started there. After a time, Father Mavrus said that he doesn't mean to have a mission there, just we are sent for mission service only. So Father Fabian returned. When Father Fabian returned, I was asked, since I know Syriac, I was asked to go and help. So I went there, and I was there about 2.25 years.
Now, who asked you to take up this mission? The bishop from Iraq, or
the bishop and the patriarch and so on. So they were serving the patriarch. Patriarch had his capital removed to Baghdad. And these fathers were there, and they brought the seminary. The Syrian seminary was in Mosul. There was the Dominican seminary there, so there is no need. So they brought the seminary to Iraq. And they conducted in a standard building. And then they built a seminary in the desert place.
In the desert place.
There they got the place for the seminary from the government. And they
now, what was the political situation in Iraq at that time?
At that time there was nothing special. Just they had finished the kingship, and then the other Saddam Hussein, not Saddam Hussein, the one before. There was ruling there. That's all. Things were all quiet and calm.
So what exactly did you do in Baghdad?
See, when I reached, Father Marcel had resigned from as the principal of the seminary.
So he was the principal of the seminary in Baghdad.
And when since he had resigned, and he gave it to one of the fathers there. And so I was not asked to. Patriarch had interest, but he wanted me to teach Syriac. And then the bishops, auxiliary bishop, who became later the patriarch, Emmanuel Delhi, he said he will take. If I go and take there the Syriac, it will be something bad for them. See, patriarch had seen my grammar. Father Fabian had shown him. So he had an idea about. So that was why he asked. Then later I was asked to teach literary. And that too, the bishop took. He did not want to have me there. And so I was simply helping out, teaching English and so on to the minor seminarians. And I was talking and living with them. And I was going to there was the Antonian monks. They had this monastery near.
Antonian monks?
Iraqi monks. There they had some minor seminarians. I was teaching them some English for a time.
So why did you end your mission in Baghdad?
We were stopping our mission there for the time.
What was the reason?
No, the period was finished and they had built a major seminary and a minor seminary. The minor seminary, since this seminary was enough for the minors and majors, the other was given to the orphanage. And then we were finishing our mission and coming back.
Oh, okay.
And then later I was to, Father Virgil had been going to Iran.
Iran?
Yeah. And Father Marcel also, after our mission, when Father Maurus had retired, and then Canisius was there. And I was asked by the Bishop of Kirkuk to be going there and teaching in the minor seminary there.
In Iran?
In Iraq.
In Iraq.
Yeah. But later, anyhow, it turned out that I did not go, and Father Marcel went for a time again, and then he also finished and returned without anything corporal. Finishing that as a service only.
Later, did you keep in touch with the priests and the patriarch in Iraq?
Once in a while, they do not know English well. The patriarch was coming and making his confessions to me in Syriac.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you recall the name of the patriarch?
Paul Shaker too.
So he used to make confession to you in Syriac language. That is fascinating. So they were more comfortable with Syriac than English.
Yeah. In Delhi also he used to speak English, but he was not very fluent. None of the Iraqis were fluent with. They were studying in the Mosul. They were studying French, not English.
Oh, okay.
So when they brought the seminary to Baghdad, then they began to study Syriac, English and so on. And these people were not going somewhere. Father Fabian taught some English, mathematics and so on, and sent the minor seminarians to government school.
Oh, okay. Now, do you recall the year that you went and the year that you returned?
No, exactly. I should see the passport and so on.
That was during the prior generalship of Father Maurus. And you returned during Father...
By the time, when I returned, it is Father Canisius was in
was
charge.
the Superior General. Oh, okay. Father Emmanuel, while you were in Baghdad, did you find a difference in the way they enunciate Syriac language and the way you did? Did they appreciate that, or...
See, there were deacons who knew Syriac well, who were reciting the canonical prayer and so on. And one of them asked me why I recite this Malsa and so on. And then one of them said, no, we were also using this in Alkosh and other places. So our pronunciation was correct, but they had later changed. That's it.
Now, did they say Abun the Bashmaya?
Awun.
Or
It's Awun.
no,
Not
we
Abun.
write and say Awun the Bashmaya. But how do they say Abun?
Awun Dashmaya itself.
Do they write with a dot below base?
I do not exactly.
Yeah. What are the activities that you are involved recently to promote Syriac language?
When I was teaching at Mananam, I corrected and reprinted the Syro-Chaldaic grammar. For Gabriel's grammar into the modern or up-to-date way. And then there's nothing. I was teaching when somebody comes, and so now also some of the fathers come and study. Those who study the Syriac in Syria and so on, they are not very familiar. They cannot even read also. One priest came and lived more than a week, for about 2 weeks, just to go through the Syriac Mass itself.
Oh, okay.
That alone. That took time. Similarly, there are other fathers also who come and study here, because it means just to go through the text.
So what prompted you to embark on a project of writing a dictionary in Syriac?
The other father Andrew Kalapura's dictionary was out of print, and there was no dictionary. There was only the Margoliouth dictionary in West Syria, and so we were having in many colleges and so on. And when P.J. Joseph was, I think, he starting Syriac also in the high schools. Of course, it was work only in the Trivandrum, Marivanus High School and so on. But anyhow, that got started, and they had no dictionary for it. And many prompted me to write. Even Father Kodapura said he will be helping me. Nobody helped, and whatever be. Anyhow, first, when the Bishop of Palai, Palikaparambil, had asked, and then I and Father അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പേരൊക്കെ മറന്നു പോകുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം ഞാനും കൊണ്ട് തുടങ്ങി. അന്നേരം എന്നിട്ട് ബിഷപ്പ് പറഞ്ഞു, ഈ സിറിയക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മലയാളം ഡിക്ഷണറി ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് അത് 100 രൂപയ്ക്ക് കൊടുക്കണമെന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ അതോടുകൂടി ആ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ പോയില്ല. പുള്ളി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ അമേരിക്കയ്ക്ക് പോയപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റാഫ് അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, സിറിയക്ക് ഇത് കിട്ടും, നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ഇത് കിട്ടും, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ അടിക്കത്തക്ക വിധത്തിൽ കിട്ടും എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് അതിനായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞ അതിൻ്റെ അഡ്രസ്സൊക്കെ ഞാൻ വാങ്ങിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് അത് ഇപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഈ തെടനാട് വികാരിയായിരിക്കുന്ന അച്ഛനാണ് അദ്ദേഹം. ഈ ജേക്കബ് സാർ ഏതാണ്ടൊക്കെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ കുർബാനയെ പറ്റിയാണ് പഠിച്ചത്. അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രൂഫ് തിരുത്താൻ വേണ്ടി വന്നപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പലതും കാണിക്കാൻ പറയുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ട് അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞു ഇങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അമേരിക്ക അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അന്നേരം അവിടെ പോയി ചെന്നപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ നമ്മുടെ അച്ഛന്മാരുമൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് ആലോചിച്ചിട്ട് ഇവരുമായിട്ട് കോണ്ടാക്ട് ചെയ്തു. അങ്ങനെ അതിൻ്റെ അപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞു ഈ സ്പീക്ക് അവർ ലാംഗ്വേജ് എന്നൊക്കെ ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞു. പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് വന്നപ്പോൾ അവർക്ക് മലയാളമില്ല. പിന്നെ ഇവിടുന്ന് ദിവ്യെന്നും മനോരമയെന്നും ഒക്കെ അതിൻ്റെ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് എടുത്തിട്ട് അവിടെ അയച്ചു കൊടുത്ത് അവരൊരു തമിഴിനെ കൊണ്ടത് ചെയ്യിച്ച് അത് ഉണ്ടായി.
What do you think is the future of the Syriac language in Kerala?
It is difficult to say. Since the Bishop Kalrangat knows somewhat, and he uses the Syriac language and he promotes it. And now the major archbishop knows something but not very much. He is interested in the songs and so on, but still we cannot say how much he has. Anyhow, the starting of the Sendaprem Nasrani Daira, that will be
Thomas Koonamakkal,
and that will be doing a lot of work. And Father Kuriakos Elias had friends abroad and so on. Similarly, Father Pati Ulangara has here and there friends out and so on. They were all promoting it, but they were not able to supply sufficient matter for them. So some of them were coming and contacting me, and I did my help as best as I can.
Father Emmanuel, why do you think that our younger generation should learn Syriac?
The Poem had asked us, our congregation, to have Syriac, but we did not take it seriously because all our fonts are in Syriac. The liturgical, the scriptural, and so on. All
even the text
are all in Syriac. So we should study. If you want to make anything, a progress or real step in the liturgy or anything, we want Syriac.
The Latin Rite, the Roman Catholic Church did away with Latin language. Now the liturgy is being celebrated in vernacular. So why do you think we should, and our liturgy is in vernacular?
No, they have not completely. In Germany and in America and so on, in some places, they now you also get special permission and celebrate in the Latin itself.
Right.
Latin has its, the expressions are complete. The literature is far more richer. It is not so, but our literature is limited, but at the same time it is rich.
So do you think the CMI congregation should start teaching the Syriac language in the seminaries?
Syriac language, at least there should be teaching for those who like to study. they should be given sufficient
option.
option and sufficient convenience. At least there should be always at least a few who know Syriac. In our congregation also. We were almost like the authorities in Syriac. We were having the printing and so on at Mandan.
By we, you mean the members of the Carmelites of Mary Magdalene?
Yeah.
Yeah. When did you start your Syriac studies and where?
I started it at Mandanam.
Okay.
In the minor seminary.
Which year?
I started 10th standard at Mandanam, St. Ephraim's. And then we started the seminary life. And in the seminary we began to study Syriac.
How come you studied Syriac in the 10th standard in the school?
No, we didn't study in the school.
Okay. It was...
The introduction in the schools were later only. Not there.
Okay. Is the Syriac language is being taught in high schools today in Kerala?
Maybe in Trivandrum, that is all. Not in our institutions. Now they are teaching, maybe in the plus, at Bharananyanam, Ramapuram and so on, in a few places.
In the plus two system.
Plus two.
Okay. The last Syriac symposium at Siri, you wrote a poem about
Siri.
Congratulations
to Siri.
Can you recall one or two lines, or can you recall a few lines, or?
I should take time to recollect it.
Yes.
Siri. Okay.
So that was just 3 years ago.
Oh.
Can you please recite the Our Father in Syriac?
Okay.
Please.
Aundusmaya, Naskandasmaga, Tesemel Kusaga, Nehesivianaga, Ikenadusmaya Apavara, Howlen Lahama, Sunaka, and Yaumana, Washokal and Hobain Wahatahid, Ikenad Apahan, Shokan, Hayawait, Latael Nasiona, Ella Pasan in Misha.
Do you find a difference in the pronunciation within the Syriac Christian communities in Kerala, East Syriac Christian communities in Kerala?
Community is one or two of our fathers pronounce a little differently, that's all. For example, we use Kopa as Ka, Ika. But now the Patikulagara and Father Kuriakos say Kuriakos, Ka.
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 Nakathinte Ka. Kurbanede Ka. Q. Now, how do you assess the manner of pronunciation of the Syrian church, the Church of the East of Ephraim?
Their pronunciations are all quite incorrect.
Why do you say that?
See, we were the enemies. East Syrians were the enemies. So they got
enemies of whom?
Enemies of the Trishur Syrians. Because we were against them and we were starting the other way of studies and so on. Our Kuriakos and so on were promoting the other unity. And they got their books translated by the Jacobites.
Oh, okay.
So they got their pronunciation.
Karosutha and
Yeshu and so on.
Oh, so they say Yesu?
Melto or Milto and so on. So they are all the West Syrian and Antiochian pronunciations.
And they also changed the melodies because until 1900s we shared the same melodic.
Melodies I do not exactly know, but we kept up the melodies as it is. Of course, there were very little modifications of some the Syriac musicians, some stops and so on. That's all.
What do you think about the melodies of the solemn high mass in Syriac, which doesn't seem to sound that Syriac? Do you feel that way, or
some things are correct. Some things are not. Not everything is. We cannot say like that. But most of the things are almost not exactly.
Ah.
They when they make tunes, they change a little bit here and there.
Ah. Did you ever get a chance to sing the melodies we sing here to the priest and the patriarch in Baghdad?
Not as such, but they knew that I was reading and writing and saying, speaking and so on Syriac well.
How did they chant the same texts?
They have in the Arabic tone. They not our Syriac, our tunes. So it is why when one of the German doctors came there, they sent that one to our congregation.
You are referring to Heinrich Hussmann?
Yeah. Heinrich Hussmann. He was asked to come to Kerala and study because they had lost all the other musicology, all the music.
I see. So can we legitimately say that we in Kerala preserve some of the ancient Syriac melodies?
Yeah, surely.
Especially the melodies of the Liturgy of the Hours?
Liturgy of the Hours and the Mass and so. A good part, not everything. We also made so many Latin imitations and so on. This Hymeneal and so on. There are so many tunes.
That was the question that I asked you earlier. So you think we adapted it from the Latin chant tradition?
Surely. Our Father Justin and one Jesuit.
Saldana.
Saldana. Yeah. They together made the tunes and so many. The Kwalandashile and so and many things. All were created by them. The Latin imitations were made.
Okay. Some years ago, you mentioned that you want to re-edit the grammar that you edited.
Yeah.
And did you do that, or is someone planning to do that? What is the future of that project?
The present, the first manager would like to renew the grammar, but how much it will proceed we can't say. Because
for sale.
See, there was one father who was there in press manager, and he corrected the grammar in his own way, without showing me. And the pressmen were saying, just call him, he will come and correct and go. We can print correctly. He wanted to show that he had studied some Syriac, and so he missed the Gabriel's grammar and this, and he made a lot of errors. And even the university complained.
Are these errors in the current printed edition?
Yes, in the present text.
So who will correct that?
Any professor who knows should correct. I had shown Kodapada a lot of mistakes, and he did not make use of it. He does not know Syriac one thing. He did not make use of the knowledge. He asked me so many times, is the dictionary published? Yes. But I don't think he ever bought a copy.
Yeah. Is there a Syriac grammar that is available, that is reliable, and which you are happy with?
The Arethnal's grammar is written in a special way, according to a special autosaur method. But that will take a lot of time to study. But our grammar is a mini grammar, not a mini grammar, but I wrote a mini grammar also, a short one.
Yeah.
If you study, you can start working yourself.
Okay. For Emmanuel, do you celebrate Mass in Syriac?
No, I do not celebrate.
Even when you celebrate in private?
Private, I do not celebrate. Because,
why?
Because I used to say the Syriac Mass. Also the first repaired Syriac Mass. But now I am old, and if I go to say Syriac Mass, the rubrics they should follow. It does not. I do not get exactly devotional. I should recite devotionally, not always testing of this and that and going to this or that. So I do not purposefully not recite.
Are there priests in Kerala who celebrate Mass when they celebrate Mass in private? Do they use Syriac?
I don't think. Only the bishop celebrates in the cathedral and so on, and in another parishes and so on, he sings and so on with the help of others. Nobody celebrates alone. Yes, there are the other. നെരുവേലി മത്തായിക്കഥ സുരാനി പാടുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ പാത്തോട്ടൊക്കെ ചെല്ലുന്നു പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. പുള്ളിക്ക് അതിനെപ്പറ്റി ഒന്നും ക്രിട്ടിക്കലായിട്ടൊന്നുമില്ല. ഉള്ളതുപോലെ കാണുന്ന പോലെ വായിക്കുന്നു പറയുന്നു, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
For Emmanuel, tell us what is the difference between Syriac and Aramaic?
Syriac and Aramaic is really the same. Only the Aramaic is the old thing, and they in different places their pronunciations are slightly different. Because you see the Jews saying to the apostles, you are also Galilean, you speak. So the Galilean, Aramaic and the other, in different places there were there were some difference, slight differences only. Grammar is the same.
Yeah, but Suryani and the Syriac അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സുറിയാനി എന്ന പദമാണല്ലോ പിന്നീട് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ചത്. അങ്ങനെ വരാൻ കാരണം എന്താ?
സിറിയയിലെല്ലാം ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന അവിടെ സിറിയ, ലെബനൻ, ഇറാഖ്, ഇറാൻ, ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം സുറിയാനി സംസാരിച്ചിരുന്ന നല്ല ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന.
So why did the term Aramaic went out of use and Syriac came in instead of Aramaic?
West Syrian, the influence of, maybe because of the influence of the West Syrians. West Syrians used to say, so we used to Syriac and West Syriac.
So Aramaic and Syriac are basically the same. Father Emmanuel, you wrote a poem in Syriac. Is it a poem that you wrote?
Yes.
Okay,
so it's a poem of the Lord calling servants at different times. That's all I'm saying.
Now, is it your poem?
Yeah.
Or is it a translation?
No. I just made a poem, that is all that.
Could you please read that?
The Toye is the Jew. Damyamalkus chayalam le gaurag mare baitaduhu pakda sapra dine gora pale le karma dile agwale kaslohan dienara leuma wa ushandar ennon pulhana basla shayin pak lusuke Varsa harane dvatavatilin Estaudi madvale edwa Shandar elon legarmadile Visashayin vasashashayin Krap ushandar abharane.
What is the meaning? What is the topic?
The Lord, the master of the garden calling servants for the labor, for his vineyard. He went in the 6th hour, the 9th hour, and so on. And finally, just an hour before the ending, he called, and he agreed with the first then the dinar for a day. And when he rewarded them, he gave each one, all of them, 1 dinar each. And the first ones were displeased, and then he said, I am not earning, I am doing with my money. You agreed with me to work for 1 dinar.
Okay.
This hymn is written by Mar Ephraim, acrostic poem using the letters of the word Jishom Shiha. Nuharadana Hildasandike Ulasri Sailam Bahadusa Ishamaran Mishihad Nahilan Min Umbadawi Yasavapkan Min Hashoga Vanahalan Benuharaya Imamad Nahal Brainasha Varakshiltani Hashoga Nuharad Nahilan Min Nore Vanaharainin Hashoga Sa Shuhed Nahabautevel Vanahal Suhame Tahataye Degumavta Varak Hashoga Vatambar Tarayadashion Vanahalagola Hen Maria Sadwin Krim Hashogan Vai കാമ്യശേഷാവയ്യപ്ര ശംഭുദഹ്വാലോൻ ബുർക്കാന അവദുർക്കാനായൗരൻ ഹയ്യേ വെസലിൽ വാസാവിൽ റൗമ സുവാസേവ് ശുഹാരംഭ മനഹർ ഐനേത് ഗോൽ സക്കീവിലെ മൽക്കന്നാസേവ് ശുഹാരംഭ നനഹർ ശ്രാഗൈനെപ്പോഗ്ലുറഹേ വിനഹദേ അഗദഹദീപൻ വമുഹന്തേലൻ മനോഹരകയ്യ ശുഹാനസകലറംബോസേ കൊല്ലൻ ഔദേലാവുയിറാമ ദസ്ഗീറൗമൗശൽഹേസേദൈ വാവദലൻ സൗറാവ് ബുർക്കാന യൗമേദാനഹമിൻ ശരിയ നാക്കിൻ ഉറകെ കന്ദീശ മനഹവിൻ നമ്പേദൈഹോൻ കോൽദാമൽ വലിയ വെത്തയ്യ ഹാദന്മാലാകെ റൈഷ്മയ്യ ശുഹാദ്ഗേനേവത് സന്ധിക്കേ സായ്മീൻ ഗീരേ പ്രേഷൈഹോൻ വാഗതം യൗവീൻ വമുഹല്ലീൻ ആഹൈക്കും വെത്തയ്യഹൂദിനവതിൽ മർക്കൻ വൽ പാറോക്കൻ ദാസേ വിശുഹേവ മുഹന്തേലൻ വിനോഹരേ കയ്യാത് വേസ്മൽ കൂസാം.
Emmanuel, what is your most favorite Syriac hymn?
I cannot say what is it. I know all these things, all the hymns of the Mass, and I know the hymns of the breviary, and there is the festival breviary also. Most of that also I think I know the tunes.
അങ്ങനെ പ്രത്യേക ഇതുപോലെ അക്രോസ്റ്റിക് ഹിംസ് അങ്ങനെ വേറെ ഉണ്ടോ?
അക്രോസ്റ്റിക് ഹിംസ് വേറെ ചുരുക്കം എനിക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. ഇത് നമ്മള് ഇതിനായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ തന്നെ വേറെ ചിലത് വരുന്നിടത്ത് അതിൻ്റെ ആ അക്രോസ്റ്റിക് ഹിമ്മിൻ്റെ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓരോ അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ വെച്ചിട്ട് അതിനൊപ്പിച്ച് ചെയ്തതുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ ചാണ്ടി പറമ്പിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ അത് തന്നെയാണേലും ആലംബേസ് വെച്ച് ഓരോന്നും ഇങ്ങനെ തുടർച്ചയായിട്ടുള്ള അക്രോസ്റ്റിക് ഹിമ്മാണ് ഓരോന്നും ഓരോ സ്റ്റാൻസ്. അതുപോലെ പറഞ്ഞതുണ്ട്.
ആ പുസ്തകത്തിൽ ഇപ്പൊ അച്ഛൻ പറഞ്ഞ അക്രോസ്റ്റിക് ഹിമ്മിലെ ട്യൂൺ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് സാഗതീനൻ എന്നാണ്. സാഗതീനൻ എന്ന ട്യൂൺ എന്താണ്?
സാഗതീനൻ എന്നിവിടെ
സഗതീനൻ ഓർ സഗതീനൻ എന്താ വാക്ക്?
ഇവിടെ സാഗതീനൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല അങ്ങനെ.
അല്ല ഇതിലല്ല ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് അലക്സാണ്ടർ ദ ഹെന്തോയുടെ
അതിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താ ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ കൃത്യം ഓർക്കുന്നില്ല. മറ്റേ ബുക്കിനെ പറ്റി ഞാൻ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്ന സാധനം എടുത്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ അതിൻ്റെ അകത്തുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ
സാഗതീനൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു മോഡൽ മെലഡി ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല.
അതിങ്ങനെ ആവർത്തിച്ച് ചെല്ലുന്ന എനിക്ക് തന്നെ പറയ നമസ്കാരത്തിന്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗമാണ് തോന്നുന്നു. യാത്രാവന്ദനം പറഞ്ഞ് പ്രൊവിൻഷ്യൽ ഓഫീസിലെ ബുള്ളറ്റിൽ ആദ്യം ഇട്ടു. ഇത് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ വേറെ വെച്ചാൽ നന്നായിരിക്കുന്നു പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഇട്ടു. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ പുസ്തകം അടിച്ചപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ചേർത്ത് ഇത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതേ ഉള്ളൂ. വേറെ പലതിൻ്റെ അകത്തുള്ള കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ലോകം വിട്ട് പിരിയാൻ പോകുക പോയി പോലെ അതിന് തയ്യാറായിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. വേറെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. എപ്പോൾ വേണേലും വിളിച്ചാൽ പോകുക. അത് ആ കാര്യം കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ വിളി കേൾപ്പതിനായി ഞാനുവൻ ചെവി ചായച്ചു വസിച്ചിടുന്നിതാ വിളി വന്നു ക്ഷണിച്ചിടുമാക്ഷണം അവനിൽ ദൃഷ്ടി പതിച്ചിറങ്ങണം. തിരുനാഥനടുത്തു വന്നിടും സമയം നമ്മൾ പ്രബുദ്ധരായിടും. എതിരേൽപ്പിനു നാം പുറപ്പെടും പിരിയും വന്നതുപോലെ ഏകരായി. എന്തോ അല്ലല്ല തുടക്കം. ഇനിയില്ല ദിനങ്ങളേറെ ഞാൻ പിരിയാനായി സമയം സമാഗതം. ഇനി ഈശകരങ്ങൾ എന്നെയും തിരുഗേഹത്തിൽ അണച്ചിടും സുഖം. ക്ഷണമെങ്ങു മരിച്ചു പോയിടും തരമല്ലെന്നുടെ യോഗമെങ്കിലും മരണത്തെ വിളിക്കയല്ലയോ പ്രായാദികളൊത്തു സാദരം. മടിയില്ല മടുപ്പുമില്ലമേ പണിയേതും കഴിവൊത്തു ചെയ്യുവാൻ ബലഹീനതയേറി വന്നിടുന്നതും ഓർമ്മയിലുണ്ട് നിത്യവും. ഭാസ്കരച്ചൻ മരിച്ച കാര്യം പിന്നത്തെ പണ്ട് പല തുണ്ടുകൾ ഞാൻ കുറിച്ചതിൽ സകലേശൻ്റെ കരങ്ങൾ വ്യക്തമാം. അവനാണു കരം നയിച്ചവൻ അവനെന്നും സ്തുതിയെ യോജ്യമെപ്പോഴും. കുറവില്ലത് വത്സരങ്ങൾ ഞാൻ ദശമിട്ടോ ഇതിനോടൊന്നു ചേർത്തുപോൽ. ഇനിയൻ വിളി കാത്തിരിക്കണം മടിയന്നേ ദിനമെണ്ണി നീക്കണം. മൃതി പുൽകി പിതാവും അമ്മയും കരയാനുള്ളവരാരുമില്ല പോൽ. ഇനി പൂവിന് ഭാരമാകണോ അരിയേറെ ചിലവാക്കിടേണം. പല നാടുകൾ കണ്ട മണ്ടനെന്നെഴുതാൻ നെറ്റിയിലെന്നിരിക്കലും ഫലമില്ലത് സ്വപ്നതുല്യമാം മിഴി ഒന്നും തരുകില്ല നിശ്ചയം. കഴിവുറ്റവരുണ്ടനേകം ഇന്ന് അത് ചിന്തിച്ചൊഴിവായിടാതെ ഞാൻ മടിയെന്നിൽ ശ്രമിച്ചു ചെയ്തിടാൻ കഴിവെന്നിൽ കുറവെന്നിരിക്കലും. ഉടവാളിന് സ്ഥാനമില്ലെനി പടവാടും കരുതേണ്ട യാത്രയിൽ പണവും യശസ്സും പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടും സുഹൃതം മാത്രം അണിഞ്ഞു പോയിടാം. കളിയല്ല കരച്ചിലല്ലിതോ ചിരിയും ചിന്തയുമാണ് വാസ്തവം. ഭയമില്ല ഭയപ്പെടേണ്ട ഞാൻ മടിയെന്നിയെ ധൃതി കൂട്ടുകല്ലിതം. അവർക്ക് ഒരു ഭാരമായി ഞാൻ ഭവിയാതെന്തിന കൃത്യമൊക്കെയും തുണയെന്നി വഹിച്ചു പോകുവാൻ തിരുനാഥൻ തുണ ചെയ്തിരട്ടമേ. മിശിഹായുടെ തൃക്കരങ്ങളിൽ തുണയായുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് ധീരമായി അവസാനം അണഞ്ഞിടും വരെ പണി ചെയ്തു തെൻപ്രതി കൈവരിക്കണം. പിരിയുന്ന സുബോധമെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാനില്ല പരാതിയൊന്നുമേ. ക്ഷമയെന്നും ഇരന്നിടുന്നു ഞാൻ ക്ഷതമാർക്കെങ്കിലും ഏറ്റിയെങ്കിലോ.